Hey everyone! In today's video, I've got something exciting to share. I found brand new deals for Shein. These are new, unique ways you can get big savings off your entire cart. I recently discovered this amazing page with verified deals for tons of online brands. And best of all is that these will work no matter where you're located in the world. I managed to snag 18 items, and even though it's only towards the subtotal, the savings I received were beyond incredible. Now, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get these deals so you can enjoy the same savings. So here's how it goes. First, you'll want to grab your phone and head on over to any search engine. I prefer Google as my go-to, but anyway, next you'll want to type and search for Feel the Deals. Then go on the first result that pops up. This is the page and where I found it. They feature top deals of the day, which are updated weekly, so you'll always find fresh deals to choose from. Now just scroll down until you see the Shein logo. Tap on it and you'll be taken to a list of all the current verified Shein deals. You'll find ones like 40 off when you get 4 items, BOGO deals, and even credits toward your entire subtotal. The deal I chose was the one that saved me the most. Once you've found a deal out of all of these that interest you, just tap the blue and green button to get started. You'll notice this Shein deal pop-up box and see some of the hashes are hidden without revealing all of it, but that's okay, don't worry. Just hit the green button and this will lead you to the next part, which is super simple to do. Just choose 3 of the ones that you'd like to do, and afterwards you just go back onto Feel the Deals where you get the rest of the deal revealed. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Happy saving, everyone!